Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am an independent Stampin' demonstrator and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing this lovely birdhouse. Little bird told me you've got something to celebrate using the new Sweet Songbird set. So let's get started. First, you want to start with a base card that measures 4 1/4 by 11, scoring at 5.5. Then you're going to mark 1.5 on both sides here, and then you're going to score an X, and I'll show you that in a second. I'm going to bring in the scoreboard, and I have the 5.5 marked already, and then the two at 4 and 7, which isn't 1.5 there. And what I'm doing is I'm putting my stylus, the thin one for the cardstock, at, let me mark this again, 1.5, flip it over, 1.5. And I'm putting the stylus here on the 6-inch, which I actually put a Sharpie on. And I like to line it up and then start from the top, go down, do the same thing here, line it up in here, and start from the top and go down. I'm going to put that away, and you're scoring that X. So you're going to want to fold it here, and then fold it this way and this way to make the X. I'm going to get my bone folder, and that's the little birdhouse effect. Isn't that cute? Then we're going to use the layering circles, and we're going to cut a circle here, and that's for the birdhouse. Let me get to my cut and emboss machine. I'll be right back. Alright, all done. Set this aside. Then you're going to take a piece of cardstock measuring 4 by 5 1/4, and you want to mark the top at 2, which is half of the width, and 1.5 against on the side. You're going to do the same with the white piece. So I'm just going to double it up and do it at the same time, and you're going to cut the sides off, and that's for the layering feature. Just like that, so it looks like the roof of a house. Whoops, sorry about that, didn't mean to bump the camera. And then this is what you get. So this is going to be for the inside here, and then this is going to be outside, but I decided it'd be cute to use the Merry Melody to emboss it. And I'm going to go use that in my embossing machine. There we go. And then we're going to use the back side. So line it up here in the front. Flip it over here and just make a few marks, because we're going to cut a bigger circle here. So there's the shape, and let me get the bigger die like that. You can also cut before if you'd like. And there you go. So that goes, oops, there we go. That goes on top of that. But I like to pop it up with some dimensionals first. Let me grab them over here. Excuse my reach. We'll do some dimensionals to turn up And then you can also use some foam strips too. I'm just doing this quickly for the video, but you can use foam strips if you really want. That's what I used on the original card. Alright, so we're going to rise that up here. So it's centered there. And another cute tip that I did was, let me see if I can find it. Here we go. So I took the punch that comes with the bundle and I punched it once. Then I matched up the stamps to the actual, let's see if I can get this right, to the actual shape right there. So that way, if I stamped it and I made multiple ones here, it'll match the punch perfectly. So I already stamped this one, and I'm going to go ahead and line it up and see if I can do this. And there we go. And then what else did I have? Where's my nest? I also stamped the nest, early espresso on some soft suede for the nest. I'm going to fussy cut that really quick. Let's get the bird in. We're going to have a little wing with some more mini dimensionals to pop that up. Then a few more mini dimensionals to make it seem like it's sitting in the nest here. And then a couple more on the bird. Then we'll do a little glue on the front of the bird. Oops, got a little goop on it. Let's ungoop that. I think we can get it out. There it is. There it is. And that way, it'll be on the same level. So the bird a little bit here. Let's see, does that look good? A little bit higher maybe. Take off the release papers. You can also use take your pick tool. And that goes right here. So he's looking kind of in the birdhouse. There we go. And then I stamped A Little Bird Told Me and used the little banner die. So that'll go next to it. You can tell I'm falling in love with this set. Oops. And I mistakenly put some dimensionals on the head. So don't do that, because you're going to actually put this here instead. So a little glue here. And that's for the inside. Same shape, same size. Let's decorate a little bit here. Let's see what we got. Let's do the branch first in Crumb Cake. Let's do it here. Okay. And then some leaves in garden green. And they fit perfectly on both branches, which is really super cool. Then let's do some flowers and some notes and the sentiment, all in Sweet Sorbet. So let's start with the sentiment. Some musical notes. So it kind of looks like the bird is actually singing. And the last one is just a few flowers, just to accent it a bit. And there you go. What do you think? A Little Bird Told Me. You got something to celebrate. So as you can see, this is all prepped to make more of these cards. So Thank you for letting me share this with you. If you do enjoy my videos, please remember to like and subscribe, and you'll get more of these. And feel free to challenge me if you think of one. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.